Tired of missing out on the convenience of Apple Pay just because you're in Nigeria? Let's cut to the chase. As of today, Apple Pay is not officially available in Nigeria. That means you can't directly link your Nigerian bank cards to your Apple Wallet for seamless payments. This restriction stems from Apple's strategic rollout, focusing on regions where partnerships with local financial institutions are established and the necessary infrastructure is in place. Unfortunately, Nigeria isn't on that list just yet. But don't lose hope entirely. Nigerians have always been resourceful. While direct Apple Pay isn't an option, you can leverage alternative digital payment methods readily available within the Apple ecosystem. Think of platforms like Flutterwave, Paystack, or OPay, which are widely used for online transactions. Many apps you use daily in Nigeria that require payments often integrate these payment gateways. So, while you're not technically using Apple Pay, you're still utilizing digital payment solutions on your Apple devices. Check app descriptions to see which payment options they support. Also, explore if your Nigerian bank offers virtual cards that can be used for online transactions. These virtual cards can sometimes be linked to your Apple ID for purchases within the App Store or for subscriptions. So, while we eagerly await official Apple Pay support in Nigeria, explore these alternative digital payment methods to enjoy a smooth experience within the Apple ecosystem. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on Apple Pay and other tech tips for Nigerians.